Hello everybody, this is Terry B and this is a nice chunky little laminated padlock. All works nicely. So what we're doing to do with this is going to be my entry into HV Logic's 1000 subscriber giveaway. And what he's asking us to do is pick a lock. That's it, just pick a lock with a little slight catch, and that is to use one hand. So I'm just gonna get on with this while I say congratulations, mate. That is an amazing feat to get to that 1000, and that's a log open. Yeah, that was quicker than I thought with my left hand as well. I'm right-handed. Yeah, getting to 1000, that is very well deserved, and congratulations, mate. No doubt you will be getting many more soon. So yeah, I hope this counts, and yeah, good luck again. Thank you for this. Thank you for the opportunity. I'll see you later.